At the 42nd Walker Cup at Marion Golf Club, Team Great Britain and Ireland have been taking a relaxed approach.
We all just like a laugh, really. I mean, it's a great experience to be here, and we're 10 golfers out of God knows how many in Great Britain and Ireland that get this experience. So you've got to enjoy it while you're out here.
I think you just bring out a good team spirit and have a good laugh. Really, I think we have good fun. I think just relax the guys and we'll do the business. I think so.
2 summers ago at Royal County Down, 10,000 plus fans filled the course with cheers for their hometown heroes. This year, the tide has turned.
Here we are at Marion. Certainly, I'm sure there will be more USA supporters out there than GB and I. But that being said, I'm sure that again, these USA supporters, as lovers of amateur golf, respect the etiquette, the whole thing. They'll be cheering for their team, but in a nice way and applauding good shots by both sides.
After losing 12.5 to 11.5 to Buddy Marucci's Americans 2 summers ago, Great Britain and Ireland captain Colin Dalglish has a chance to even the score, but knows Marucci has the home course advantage.
Clearly, it's a great honour for Buddy to be the captain, and it's a great sort of double the fact that here he is at his home club. I'm sure that Buddy will of course feel just that little bit of pressure because he is here on his home turf. But that's entirely fine, and that's just in the background there, and it's just all part of the big mix.
We all want to win for Colin and for ourselves, really. For the team, we all want to win for each other. We're all out here as a team, and we're all together, and to win it would just be fantastic, really.
For GB&I players, however, this is an amazing experience, one they want to take in one shot at a time. Just ask team jokester Dale Whitnell for the team's motto.
The boys always say, lace it and hit it out your boots. So that's the team motto for this week, I think.
The GB&Is have been practicing at Marion since Tuesday and will have one more practice round on Friday. The one thing, though, that players have started to notice about Marion is that the winds have been progressively getting stronger throughout the week. And that's an element to the game they hope to use to their advantage as they try to defeat the Americans at the 42nd Walker Cup. For GolfWeek.com, I'm Asher Wildman.